Look, building an aesthetic body is every boy's dream, but does everyone achieve it? Probably not, but maybe after watching this video, you will too. If you are between 14 to 25 years old and thinking about building muscle at home, then trust me guys, if you seriously follow the 5 exercises and tips I'm about to tell you, then in just 2 weeks you will start seeing clear changes in your body. Whether you are skinny or a little fat, you can bring your body into an aesthetic shape without any equipment. And by the end of this video, you will get a proper workout plan that you can easily follow at home. Along with that, the most important thing, a simple diet plan that will improve your results faster. So now, let's start the transformation. First, you need to understand what an aesthetic body actually means. A slim body like Cristiano Ronaldo, a muscular body like Shakib Gokhale, or a perfectly balanced body like David Lade. So, let's clear this confusion. Tell me, these 2 guys you see on the screen, who looks more muscular and more like a man, and who looks like a soft boy? Thought about it? Now look at these 2 more photos. You probably put one of them in the boy category and the other in the man category. But why? Is it because of the beard? Then look at these 2 photos. Neither of them has a beard, but still you placed one in the boy category and one in the man category. That means there are things other than a beard that makes someone look masculine and aesthetic. It means a balanced body, where your form is defined. Your body looks in a V shape, abs are visible, and no matter what you wear, you look like a sharp and strong man. For that, you need a full body workout plan, and that's what you're going to unlock in the next part. In the first 3 steps, you will unlock a full body workout plan, and in the next 2 steps, the most important thing, without which your workout will be a waste of time, mindset and distraction control. So don't miss that. Step number 1, push, pull, power. Full arms, wide chest, strong shoulders, and perfect triceps, all of these play a huge role in building an aesthetic physique. But for that, you need to clearly know which exercise builds which part of your body. First comes push-ups, a basic but super effective exercise. Push-ups build your chest, make your arms strong, and tighten your core. If you're a beginner, start with knee push-ups. After gaining some confidence, shift to normal push-ups. Start with 5 reps, then 10, then as many as possible. But your form must be perfect. Next comes incline push-ups. You can do this using a table, bed, or wall. This activates your upper chest and shoulders more effectively. Slow and controlled movement. And last, diamond push-ups. Place your hands on the ground in a diamond shape. This targets your inner chest and triceps. It's a little tough, but it gives strong results. Try 3 sets with slow control. Now let's talk about pull movements. At home, without a pull-up bar, it's a little tough, but don't worry, there's a simple solution. Doorway rows. Fix a strong towel between the 2 door handles and pull yourself toward it. This targets your back and biceps. And if you don't have that set up, try reverse table dips. This activates triceps and upper back. Balancing both push and pull exercises is important, so your body stays proportional and your upper body looks well-defined. Step number 2, build that V shape. Now comes the most eye-catching part of your body that makes your physique aesthetic, the V shape. This shape doesn't come just by building abs. You need to work on core and upper body proportions. Let's talk about effective core exercises. First, leg raises. Lie down on a flat surface. Lift both legs straight up and bring them down with control. This directly targets your lower abs. Do 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps each. Second, plank. It's a static exercise but very powerful for your core. Hold your body on your elbows. Keep your back straight. Start with 30 seconds and gradually increase the time. Third, Russian twists. Sit on the ground, lift your legs slightly up and twist your body left and right. This hits your obliques and defines your V-line. Fourth, mountain climbers. Get into push-up position and move your legs in and out at a fast pace. This works your abs and also burns fat. Abs will only be visible when your fat percentage is low, so along with core training, clean diet and light cardio is necessary. If you consistently follow these exercises daily for 15 to 20 minutes, your core will become strong and gradually your body will start showing a sharp V shape. Step number 3, build lower body. Now let's talk about lower body, which most people skip. But without strong legs, your body is not complete. Lower body gives you power, stability, and balance. First, body weight squats. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back like you're sitting on a chair and then come back up. This works your quads, glutes, and calves. 3 sets of 15 reps. Second, lunges. Step one leg forward. Lower your body down, then come back up. Repeat with the other leg. This improves balance and core stability along with legs. Third, wall sit. Keep your back against a wall and sit in a holding position. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. It looks simple, but your thighs will burn. Last, calf raises. Stand straight. Rise up on your toes, then come down. This gives shape and strength to your calves. 3 sets of 20 reps. All these exercises improve posture, endurance, and fat loss. You can achieve a complete aesthetic body. Step number 4, recovery and diet. Even the biggest bodybuilder and anyone who has real fitness knowledge always says one thing: you only work out for 1 hour. Your body is built in the other 23 hours, what you eat and what you do. And this is 100% true, because abs are made in the kitchen. But one big problem is that in Indian meals, protein and nutrients are often lacking. According to a study, 70% of Indians have improper protein and nutrition intake. Protein is the most important nutrient for building muscle. Use simple home sources: eggs, milk, sprouts, peanuts. You also need carbs and fats for energy, so take roti, rice, fruits, nuts, in balance. No need for extreme dieting, just focus on clean and home-cooked food. And yes, drink enough water, at least 3 to 4 liters per day. Hydration boosts both performance and recovery. If you follow proper rest and smart diet along with workouts, your transformation will be faster and long-term. Step number 5, consistency and mindset. You know the right workout, you're following a good diet, but still you don't get results. Why? The answer is simple: consistency and mindset. Body is not built just by lifting weights. It is built by discipline. What you show daily through your actions. The biggest killer of mindset is overthinking, distractions, and energy drainers. Listen carefully. Testosterone is a natural hormone that is important for muscle building, motivation, and focus. But when you are constantly stuck in masturbation or porn, your testosterone levels start dropping. You feel low energy, laziness, and lack of drive. According to studies, frequent masturbation artificially spikes dopamine and kills real-life motivation. So if you are serious about your transformation, you have to control these things. You have to become strong at a mindset level too. Build discipline. Create a proper routine and follow it for 21 days without breaking it. Mind becomes strong only when you stay loyal to your own words. So brother, if you want your dream physique, then along with workout and diet, you must level up your mind too. Always remember, consistency is power. Mindset is foundation. Everything else is result. If this video helped you even a little in moving forward in life, then please subscribe to the channel and